We're at the beautiful Deschambault circuit here, round number 8 of the Rockstar Triple Crown Series. This is going to be a great day. Sun shining, crowd everywhere. Just look at that track. It's beautiful right now. Crown, Wright, Ward, and Pettis all within a second and a half of each other.
So one lap, about 2.5 minutes of racetrack left for the number 12 to take home this win.
There it is, Dylan Wright grabbing the Moto number 1 victory. We see that Pettis is across the board. Joey Crown is going to take that 3rd spot.
Sun came out and it just got humid and hot, and it's going to be a great day of racing.
He's going to grab that hole shot right there. And look at this, Thompson steals it away. Thompson is leading the way with Benoit right in behind, and you know the French fans are cheering at every corner. Is this the pass? And there it is.
There it is.
He's got it. Benoit's made the pass.
Kevin Benoit taking that win. The hometown's going nuts here. Cole Thompson finishing 2nd. Dylan Epstein, an awesome ride from about 7th place.
Crown leaping out to the lead, going by Ward, and then it's Pettis. Watching Joey Crown, our lead pack is Crown, Ward, Pettis, Fortier, Wright, top 5. Jacob Hayes getting his 1st hole shot of the year.
So Gerke down, that's not going to help his title hunt.
And Fasciotti slingshots up in that lead, no problem, the 45.
And Thompson is on a mission now. Let's see if he can match these blistering pace that Fasciotti has.
Fasciotti's going to grab that Moto win here, 2nd Moto 450 class. But here's going to be your overall winner, Cole Thompson, the 2-2 on the day.
Colt Fasciotti and Kevin Benoit tying for that 2nd spot, but Colt Fasciotti getting the nod for the number 2.